What's up, Crim Heist? Welcome to another criminology educational video. And for today, we will be discussing police patrol with police communication system. By the way, my name is Sean Francis Sandiego, also known as the Professor. So before we jump into our discussion, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Professor, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next video upload. So now we will be discussing organizing and staffing of the patrol function. But before we go to that topic, let us first define what is organization. Organization is consisting of arranging personnel and functions in a systematic manner designed to accommodate stated goals and objectives in the most efficient manner possible. So ibig sabihin sa organization, these are group of people with the same function, and it functions or it acts or its action is in a systematic manner designed to have an efficient way in achieving their goals and objectives. So what are the different types of organizational principles? So this is very important, especially if you are taking the board exam, because ito yung mga most commonly asked questions sa law enforcement administration na exam. So these are the principles that enable goals of organizing the patrol officers are achieved. So first is simplicity. This can be done by providing simple organizational plan clearly understood by all concerned, yet detailed enough to provide clear lines of authority and responsibility. So when we say simplicity, ito yung pagkakaroon lang ng simpleng plano para sa organisasyon upang ito ay maintindihan ng lahat. Kasi if the organizational plan is complicated and hard to understand, therefore, not all the people in that organization can fully understand the plan, mako-compromise yung actions na gagawin nila, and that may lead to the failure in achieving the plan. So magkakaroon ng mako-compromise yung quality ng trabaho dahil nahihirapan silang intindihin kung paano yung dapat gawin. So for it to be simple, kailangan yung organizational plan natin is or can be clearly understood by all the persons concerned. Next is organizing paid function. It emphasizes that the grouping of similar tasks, job assignments, performance of function together, and placing them under a single supervision or a command officer. In keeping this principle, basis distinction between the line and staff functions must be observed. So, ibig sabihin, yung organization daw must have a sub-organization or subgroup or subdivision in an organization in which yung isang certain division na yon will act or will function based on its specialization or assigned task. So, para yung Philippine National Police. The Philippine National Police is the whole organization, and it is subdivided into different directorates or offices depending on their specialization or function. With that, magkakaroon lang ng single supervision or single command officer that will supervise them all, and also they will function as one. Next is chain of command. It holds that the successive person in the chain of command, from the first level supervisor to the chief of police, must be given an opportunity to deal with those incidents for which he or she is responsible. Again, a person cannot be held accountable if the chain of command is violated by allowing other persons below or to handle the situation. So, ibig sabihin si chain of command, ito yung successive person sa organization. So, kumbaga from the first level supervisor up to the chief of police. Next is span of control. It is based on the assumption that there is a limit to the number of individuals that one person can effectively supervise. So, ibig sabihin sa span of control, meron lang daw tayong maximum person or maximum subordinates that we can efficiently supervise based on the following factors. First is the type and complexity of the work performed. Gaano ba kakomplikado yung trabaho? Next is the skills, training, and experience of the personnel performing the work. So, yung skills, training, and experience ng yung mga subordinates or the people that you are going to supervise. Third is the degree of specialization involved in the work performed. How complex the work is, and gaano kalaki or gaano kataas ang degree of specialization na kailangan both of the personnel or the subordinates and the supervisor needed para magawa yung trabaho. And the last one is the knowledge, skills, and experience of the supervisor. Next is unity of command. It is based on the belief that an individual should be responsible to one and only one person at any given time and in any given situation. So, ibig sabihin, tayo daw ay accountable lang sa iisa't iisang tao lang. Para in case na magkaroon ng aberya, ang magiging accountable lang is you and your supervisor. And also, unity of command is being implemented para hindi tayo magkalituhan. So, kung sino yung nagbigay lang ng utos, kumbaga iisa lang yung utos or yung command, therefore, hindi magkakaroon ng lituhan or confusion in doing the work. Next is territorial units in patrol. So, marami yan. So, first is post. When we say post, it is a fixed point or location to which an officer is assigned for duty, such as designed desk or office, an intersection or crosswork for traffic duty, or spot location for general guard duty. So, si post, ang lagi nating keyword dyan is a fixed point or location. So, nasa iisang lugar lang siya. While route, which is also line beat, is a length of street or streets designated for patrol purposes. So, ibig sabihin, kahabaan ng kalsada o mga it's composed of different streets. While beat, it is an area assigned for foot patrol purposes. It may be a combination of a foot and or route or line beat. Next is Secutor. It is an area containing two or more beats, routes, or posts. So, combinations na siya. As to district, it is a geographical subdivision of a large city each composed of designated districts. So, si district, ito yung paghahati-hati ng isang malaking syudad. So, as we all know, sa Manila, it is composed of different districts. Sa Quezon City rin, may mga districts din. And the last one is area, a section or territorial division of a large city. Next is organizational duties and responsibilities. So may dalawa yan, administrative aspects and operational aspects. For administrative aspects, nandyan yung staff supervisor, ship platoon in charge, deskmen and dispatchers, all doing administrative works. And for operational aspects, nandiyan si field supervisors and crew, which is in the mobile patrol, doing operational activities or patrol duty or patrol activity. So thank you very much and do hope that you learned a lot from today's video discussion. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the professor and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next video upload. Thank you very much.